Yo, what's going on, guys? It's the G35 channel, and as I promised, we are back with a double din. So guys, we're gonna open up the trunk here, and I got a JVC KW-M750 Bluetooth with Apple Carplay. I'm an Apple guy. I love Apple. Now, some of y'all may be wondering, where's the amp and subwoofer? Unfortunately, guys, I cannot get that hooked up at this time. My wiring is jacked up. I had the installer look at it. I'm gonna have to wait till later. Could be 6 months, could be a year, could be never. I might return the subwoofer. I don't know. Let's go get a sound clip of what the system I currently have sounds like before we put this double din in. Guys, we're in the car. To keep things fair, I'm gonna go 3/4 volume on both systems. Both systems are gonna be tuned to my liking. I am a more bass heavy person. If you had this exact setup with this exact radio and the stock Bose system, it may sound completely different because I tune it for heavy bass. We are gonna play a no copyright song. I am just gonna let it play, and I'm gonna show you for best results, use headphones or sound system. Your phone speaker will not show you. Let's get to it. Quick clip with some highs, some mids, some vocals, and a bass drop.
Rise up from the ashes, wings on my back, stay lit like a matchstick. We ain't coming back, I swear. Just let go and see what happens. Gotta let go to see the magic happen. Thank God it's a quick change, so we like a mid-phase. I just bought a new watch, time to make my wrist ring. The zero gravity keeps elevating me.
Let's go get it installed. I'm so excited. Let's go. Back from Best Buy. Big advancement. We have Apple CarPlay now, even though I'm using Bluetooth for this because it's no copyright. Let's play the same sound clip. Same rules apply. Use earbuds, use AirPods, use something that you can tell the sound difference. Let's go.
Rise up from the ashes, wings on my back, stay lit like a matchstick. We ain't coming back, I swear. Just let go and see what happens. Gotta let go to see the magic happen. Thank God it's a quick change, so we like a mid-phase. I just bought a new watch, time to make my wrist ring. The zero gravity keeps elevating me.
I ain't even gonna lie, y'all guys, with this new system and the new equalizer and crossovers, the bass does hit harder. I personally am very happy with this system and would recommend it to anybody looking to upgrade their head unit for under $500. I will put the link in the description to this. And also, I want to show you how clean the install is. The Best Buy tech did not have everything he needed because I bought the car with this double din kit and I did not get the spare parts for the actual double din. So he custom fitted this to hold it in there. There is a gap up top. Next video, I will be filling that and making it look good. He put the USB cable in here per my request. So when I'm driving, my phone goes in here, everything's hands-free, and it just looks clean. It looks stock. And guys, if you stick around and sub, within the next few videos, I will be releasing a full review on my thoughts after a week or two using this every day, going back and forth to college. I will be reviewing the Apple CarPlay feature, how stable it is. I will be reviewing how bright the screen is during the day, the glare, the nighttime, every feature, everything, guys. So stay tuned.